Taking a video of it. Obviously, once you have this, it'll always power. And then I can put insulation around this to kind of get rid of some of the noise. But it will all be powered through this. So this will get cut out and you'll have a screen right here that will show you the percentage of, so maximum rotation, or 100% would be 50 rotations per minute. So you'll hit the power button, that will turn on the motor, and then you adjust this to increase the speed. So that would be maximum, and then you can dial it down and it'll show you what percentage of maximum revolutions per minute that you want. Voila.